121 right now, Aman Pawar. NDA standing 1 seat short in terms of lead of the halfway mark.
Also, the single largest party is now the RJD.
Okay, I'm going to just go through that numbers there. Okay, let's just quickly show our viewers the numbers where the breakdown, where the Gathbandhan NDA 121 right now, which is 1 seat short in terms of lead of the halfway mark. RJD, Mahagathbandhan led by the RJD at 113 right now. The LJP's recorded 0, but it's interesting to now break it down party-wise. Breaking it down party-wise, yes, you're right, Mr. Pawar, the RJD right now in Leeds has taken over the BJP. RJD right now in trends is at 74, which is the single largest party. The BJP right now is at 71. This is where things are going to get really, really interesting, like we said. A lot of fun for any journalist, for political analysts, for psephologists. This will be a nightmare. But yes, Mr. Pawar, you are right. This is what we are talking about. The BJP is at 71 leads and the RJD is leading in 74. So the RJD right now in terms of leads is emerging as the single largest party. It's extremely tight and it seems it will go down to the wire. So Mr. Pawar, still hopeful of getting this election?
Higher than what it is being projected by the Election Commission.
All right. Okay. Well, we are going to go by what Election Commission also says. What we are hoping right now, in just about 10-15 minutes, we are going to cut across to the press conference of the Election Commission. And this is how things are getting so very interesting right now. This is what it looks like. I want to cut across to RP Singh. RP Singh, you know, sir, we were talking about how at least you said the BJP, I'm sure, will be the single largest party. Numbers don't say, sir. BJP right now, at least the way current trends are concerned, and I'm hoping it remains the same before I actually write this down. The BJP is at 71. The RJD right now stands at 74. So the RJD leading.
I said, I've been stating from very beginning, and I've been very clear that let's wait for another 2 hours. And ultimately, because I'm also getting my input from the ground, ultimately we're the largest party. Be very clear on this, and I'll surely, once we do that, I'll surely send you a message on that.
All right. Well, I'll wait for your message. Ultimately, it's what the count will decide when that last vote is counted. We know which way this election goes. But right now, this is what it looks like. You know, before I go into a quick break, the numbers are shifting, viewers, and they've been shifting very quick. Where does it stand right now? It's for the NDA, it's at 121, 1 seat short in terms of lead for the halfway mark. For the Mahagathbandhan, led by the RJD, it's at 113. It's getting very, very close. Break it down. BJP was poised to be the single largest party. The drums and the dhols and nagaras in both the central Delhi headquarters and the Patna headquarters had started. But right now, in terms of leads, the RJD's taken it through, taken it over with 74, leading in 74 seats and the BJP in 71. So the RJD right now in terms of trends is coming through as the single largest party. What will it come down to? Everyone suggests it will come down to with the margin of seats. This is what it's going to come down to. Less than 500. If you look at viewers, it's 15 seats right now are being led with a margin of less than 500. This could be the decider. Look at it right now. NDA is poised at 121, the RJD at 113. Let's look at less than 1,000 seats. 32 seats are being led right now by less than 1,000 seats. Could this be the decider in this? NDA is leading by a margin of 1,000 seats in 13 seats. RJD is leading by a margin of 1,000 votes, I beg your pardon, in 18 seats. So this could be very much the decider. This is seats that are being led with a margin of 1,000, out of which 15 seats are being led with a margin of just 500. Chew on that, because halfway mark is 122, NDA right now just at 122. Could this margin be that decider? Well, our coverage continues on the other side of this quick break. It's getting, like I said, it's a nail biter. It's coming down to the wire. Which way will it go? Well, we'll only know through the course of the day. Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.